Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and looks like we have gotten the S26 Ultra. Yes guys, it has finally arrived today on the 6th of March, and you might be asking, why do you even get this device? Well, I'll tell you guys later, so stay tuned for that. Alright, before we do anything, let us unbox the device first. So yeah, this one I think is pink gold, the color, the one I've chosen. And this is an exclusive color on Samsung.com. So yeah, if you pick this color, means people know that you got it from the website. So yeah, other colors that are not pink gold, I think there's only two. I think one more is cobalt purple, I think I'm not mistaken. That is a limited color on Samsung.com. Other than that, the rest of other colors you can get it elsewhere besides the website. So yeah, let us open it up. So we can just actually tear it from here. We don't even need to, use a knife. But I prefer to use a knife. Honestly, I don't want to spoil this box. So this is just my style. You can actually tear it if you want using your finger. But I like to do this. So yeah, you can just use a knife, and you should be able to open it up. And there we go. So this comes out like that, and that is the S26 Ultra in pink gold. This is my first time actually watching it and looking in person. I didn't go to the shop to check it out, so yep. And we actually get, I think, just the cable, I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I just want to show you guys a quick glimpse. So we do get the SIM ejector tool with the manual and the cable inside, you can see like that. So this one I won't show too much because this one is pretty standard. And that's it. So this is the phone, and let's take it out from its case. Wow, it's a little bit lighter. I mean, honestly, it's not that light compared to my S25 Ultra, but yeah, it's I guess it's more rounded now on the sides than last version. Camera design is a bit different, as well. You can see it's, I think, more like the 4 series now, the layout. But overall, yeah, it looks pretty identical other than that. And yeah, we can remove this as well. So the screen, there we go. Oh, look at that. So I heard the screen on this thing, the privacy display, is obviously one of the highlighted features of this device. We'll check that out later, but this is a close look at the device overall before I use it. And this is the S Pen, you can see. We got it over here. And SIM ejector, SIM slot. You can take out the SIM card using the SIM ejector tool. We got the USB Type C, we got the mic, we got the speakers up there, we got another set of mics up here. The speaker grill also has some sound, of course. And that's it. That's the overall look of the device. So let me just put this aside. And yeah, other than that, yep, that is it actually for the device. This is a shorter unboxing of the S26 Ultra in pink gold. This is the 512GB version with 12GB of RAM. So yep, that's it actually for this video. It's a short one, and now I'm gonna tell you guys why did I get this device in the first place, because I did a video on my S25 Ultra review. You can check it out somewhere there. I'll put the link to the review saying that it's not a worth it buy for those of you using the previous generation. So reason is because my mom's phone, she's her phone at the same time, around that time during the pre-order period. It was a very nice timing, I guess, I'm not sure, but her phone spoiled, so she has no phone, and I decided why not I get this one instead, and she can use the one that I'm recording right now, which is S25 Ultra. I'm gonna give it to her for free, so she can just use that phone instead of yeah. So that's why I got the new one, so I can pass this phone to her. She can use it totally for free. So that was the reason why I bought this one. If not, I don't think I'll be buying it, honestly, because it's not a very big upgrade from what people said. It's I guess the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It's a slightly little upgrade. Besides that, the camera slightly better, privacy screen. Other than that, you're not missing much, honestly, if you're coming from S25 Ultra. That's all for me, guys. It's a short little video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.